The sine rule helps you find missing angles and missing sides in any triangle. So what the sine rule says, as you can see here in the formula, which is in your formula booklet, is that a side divided by the sine of the opposite angle is equal to another side divided by the sine of the opposite angle to that side, which in turn is also equal to the third side divided by the sine of the opposite angle to that side. We will use the sine rule in two different cases. Number one, when you have one side and two angles given, just like in the drawing below. Or, in case number two, when you have two sides and one non-included angle given. Non-included angle meaning that the angle that we have is not between the two sides, so 7 and 10 that we know.